Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I want to show you how to change your YouTube Shorts video thumbnail easily on using your YouTube app. So let's get started. Here we are going to click or open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, click on your YouTube channel logo and click on view channel, and there is a multiple options, and now click on manage videos. After clicking on manage videos, there are the multiple options that you have seen. So wait for some times, and here are the all videos, shorts and long videos that you are uploaded soon. So select your video that you want to change thumbnail. So I wanna select second top programming language to learn in C++. So here are three dots. So click on three dots, and there are multiple options. Click on edit options. After click on edit options, so wait for some seconds, and here is the changing of thumbnail logo icon is shown. Click on pencil icon, and here are the multiple frames that you are using in your short video to select anyone that you want to make your short thumbnail. Like I wanna choose here someone. This one is the best for my YouTube shorts video thumbnail. So after select this frame and click on tick mark. After clicking these frame are selected to my YouTube short thumbnail, and simply click on save button. After clicking on save button, you will see that my YouTube short video thumbnail has been changed. Second one is the short video that we change the thumbnails. So I hope you are watching well, and subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos.